Hey, what's going on today, guys? My name is that Volkswagen guy. First of all, I am going to apologize about the wind noise that is outside. It's very windy today, but today I am going to be doing a full in-depth review on ArmorAll Extreme Shield Ceramic Glass Window Cleaner. Now, I've already know you guys already have a video of this versus the Rain-X, but I just want to see how this stuff does on its own. Not comparing it with anything, and I'll give it my honest review. So let's head on outside. Once again, I apologize for the wind noise that's going to happen, and we'll try the stuff out. All right, so we're out here by the car to prove that these windows are untreated. Got my hose right here. See, untreated. Both of them. So this is the one I'm going to clean, this one I'm going to leave untreated so you can see the difference between the two. Alright, so let's give this a wipe down and we'll apply the Rain-X. With the window being rubbed down, let's just start spraying. Alright, so proper instructions are to let the foam die down on the windows so it can activate the ceramic properties that are built into the cleaner here. So that's what we shall do. Because it's very windy today, that'll be pretty quick. Alright, so that's actually good enough. So let's start wiping away here. Now let's flip over our towel so we have no streaks whatsoever on the window. These are good towels because they hold in the moisture. Like, I don't have a second one with me. Alright, so this window has been treated, that window has been not. So let's grab our hose here. See, noticeable difference already. Now if we try the untreated window. So, will I recommend ArmorAll Extreme Shield Ceramic Glass Window Cleaner? Yes, because look at that. Like, look at that. That's the untreated window, this is the treated window. It works so much better. So, once again, I'll leave a link down below in the description here. If you guys enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video.